how to transfer Uber Cash to another account. Now, unfortunately, that's not possible, but here are some alternatives that you can use. You can use the Uber Cash for rides or Uber Eats on behalf of somebody else. If you want to help someone else with their ride or food order, you can place the ride or food order from your account using your Uber Cash balance and set the pickup or delivery to their location. Another thing that you can do is buy an Uber gift card for them. If you want to send money to another Uber account, you can purchase an Uber gift card for the amount you want to send and share the gift card code with the recipient. Gift cards can be redeemed in the Uber app for Uber Cash and are a convenient way to send Uber credits to someone else. And you can also request a refund in some cases. If you have mistakenly added too much Uber Cash or no longer need it, you can reach out to Uber support to see if they are able to refund unused Uber Cash to your payment method. However, refunds are typically allowed only in specific cases, and it depends on Uber's policy. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.